As we count down to the Biden inauguration, good time to bring up Jim's investment themes for 2021. You zeroing down on one, Jim?
Well, I think that there is one, which is if you go to 5G, we are in a collision course, the likes of which I don't think we've ever seen. It's a worldwide chip shortage. There simply aren't enough chips to go around. It's not vaccine-like because life and death. But it's not just autos. There simply aren't enough chips to make every single device we have. We ended up getting a real bottleneck at Taiwan Semi. They're spending $25 to $28 billion to open it up. But, David, when I talk about 5G, what I am talking about is just a hog, a monster that's devouring all the chips that would have normally gone throughout the system, whether it be 5G for Apple, whether it be 5G for towers, whether it be 5G to make it so that the world is connected to each other. That is the single greatest bottleneck theme other than vaccines at this very moment. Also infects a lot of other areas, including e-commerce, even EV. Everybody needs more chips. I've never seen a shortage like this.
It's interesting. Is there a particular area of chips that's in truly short supply?
NXPI, automobile.
Okay, right.
Honestly, I mean, I don't think that there is a major CEO in this country who, if asked what the problem is right now, who has anything involving device, that wouldn't say, we can't get the chips.
Well, Internet of Things is, of course, a theme that we've discussed in relation to 5G. And it's not just about being able to get download a movie more quickly on your phone. It's really the applications, the enterprise, given the lack of latency, are going to be dramatic as this really still slowly moves into the enterprise, into a factory, into a workplace in some way, into places where automation is very important, to Jim's point. And so chips become even more important that can communicate with the 5G signal, essentially.
Right.
Jim. And by the way, always worth mentioning, $95 billion, including clearing costs, was spent by we don't know who yet, actually, but Verizon and AT&T amongst them on that spectrum. Again, to help with their 5G.
Yeah,
$95 billion.
That's incredible. The amount of money spent. And, Carl, the automobile dealers, when you watch GM go up every day, you watch Ford go up, the thing that is making it so they may not have the blowouts in the first half is they can't get the chips. Because the automobile business, I was listening to Mario Gabelli this morning, the automobile business is the hottest I can recall. The housing market is the hottest. There's only 2 months supply. We are just supply constrained with many things, particularly vaccines.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.